In this video, I'm going to show you how to use coupon on Shein app. If you also got the coupon of Shein and you're trying to apply it to get a discount, then in this video, I'm going to show you the section where you can easily apply the coupon that you have. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into the video. Firstly, you want to open up the Shein app and then make sure that you are logged in. Once you're logged in, you firstly need to pick a product and then add it to the bag, and then during the checkout you can add in the coupon. So firstly, select any product that you are trying to purchase and tap on add to bag. Once this product has been added to the bag, you can tap on the bag option on the top right, and from here you'll see an option called checkout on the bottom right. Once you tap on the checkout section, if you've not entered in your address or your shipping address, you'll need to enter it in. And then next, if you scroll down from this section, you'll have an option called apply voucher or apply coupon. You can just tap on this option and you can type in the details of the coupon or the voucher that you have. So type in the coupon number or the voucher number and you can just tap on apply. And if the coupon entered is correct, the coupon will be immediately added to the purchase that you're trying to make, and the total amount will be deducted on the bottom. So that's the easy way that you can use coupon on your Shein app. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful, and if you're interested in more daily tutorials just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.